we started fourth chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. In that we started the topic protein synthesis. We know that the central dogma, what is central dogma? In that central dogma, there is DNA formation, mRNA and mRNA to protein. In DNA, the formation of mRNA, that is the transcription process, and mRNA to protein, that is the translation process. But before the translation, we need to understand the most important topic here, that is the genetic code. In genetic code, we know that the DNA molecule, central dogma also, DNA to mRNA, DNA to mRNA, and then to protein. These two main process, that is the transcription and the translation process, DNA molecule, which is the master molecule of cell. And why it is called master molecule of cell? Because it initiates, it guides, or it regulates, or it controls the process of protein synthesis. That is the DNA, which is the master molecule. DNA, which is the master molecule, which initiate, guides, regulate and control the process of protein synthesis. And this process of protein synthesis, that is the complicated function of DNA. This complicated function must be carry the necessary information for protein synthesis. म्हणजे protein synthesis साठी जी genetic information आहे, जी important information आहे, ती carry झाली पाहिजे DNA पासून पुढे, तरच काय होणार आहे, protein synthesis होणार आहे. And this information, which is first very located in DNA itself, ही information पहिल्यांदा कुठे असते, तर DNA वर असते, which is verily said here, verily located in DNA itself. म्हणजे DNA वर ही information, genetic information, जी की genetic information protein synthesis साठी महत्त्वाची असते. ती genetic information ही एक साच्याच्या स्वरूपामध्ये DNA वर असते. That is verily in Marathi, that is साचा, साच्याच्या स्वरूपामध्ये. And then second, this information is in the sequence of nucleotide. ही information ही कशा प्रकारची असते, सिक्वेन्सच्या स्वरूपामध्ये असते. Sequence of nucleotides, or nucleotides are nitrogen bases, and this, which is according to Janosky and Sarabhai in 1964. According to Janosky and Sarabhai, the information is in the sequence of nucleotide. म्हणजे nucleotides हे कसं असतं, sequence मध्ये असतात. ती information कशा प्रकारची असते, sequence मध्ये असते, हे त्यांनी सांगितलं. The process of protein synthesis, the process of protein synthesis, 20 different types of amino acids are involved. ह्या सगळ्या protein synthesis च्या process मध्ये there are 20 different types of amino acid. 20 different types of amino acid involved. And this process, that is the 20 different types of amino acid involves, and DNA have only 4 nitrogen bases to identify these 20 different types of amino acid. These 20 amino acid involved in total process of protein synthesis, and DNA have, that is DNA have 4 nitrogen base to identify these 20 amino acid. Then question will arises, that is how it is possible there are only 4 nitrogen bases and that is 20 amino acids are arises, that is only 4 nitrogen bases. That is according to FHC Crick. According to FHC Crick, ही जी information आहे, किंवा the information, in the information there is a coded language. हे 4 bases जे आहेत, 4 nitrogen base here, 4 nitrogen base here, 20 amino acids are encoded. That is the 4 nitrogen base. See, each codon is made of one nitrogen base. That means here this is one codon, this is the second codon, this is the third codon, and this is the fourth codon. Here fourth codon. That means here four codon which code the four amino acid here. That is the singlet codon. A codon is made up of one nitrogen base here. That means here singlet codes will code for only four amino acid. किती amino acid code करता है? Four amino acid. This one codon code one amino acid. This one codon code one amino acid. This codon code one amino acid. This codon code one amino acid. That is only four amino acid code. That is the singlet codon. That means here we know that the amino acids are the 20 amino acid. That means here this codes or these singlet codons will discarded or not accepted here. Then the second, which is the came then second, that is the doublet codon. Doublet codon, which is this codon, which code made up of the two nitrogen bases. That means here AU or UA or G, C, that is the doublet codon. Then doublet codon, that is the 4 raised to 2 here. That means only 16. Here 4 into 4 is equal to 16 codon here. This is also not accepted. This is discarded because of there are 20 amino acids here, and here only 16 amino acid. Here only 4 amino acid. Here only 16 amino acid here. Then this doublet codons was also discarded or not acceptable. Then came triplet codon, and this triplet codon, each codon is made up of 3 nitrogen bases. Each codon is made up of 3 nitrogen bases. That means AUG or AUC, AUG, whatever it may be, AGG. That is the triplet. Each codon. That means 4 raised to 3 or 4 into 4 into 4 here. And what? Here that is the 64. And which is this came, that is the doublet, that is the 64 codons are enough of 20 amino acid. These 64 codons are enough to 20 amino acid, and this suggested in 1954. This triplet codon which suggested in 1954 here, George Gamow. That is the George Gamow. This suggested by the George Gamow, that is the codon or genetic code which is the triplet code here. That is according to George Gamow, triplet code was given. That is the scientist, that is the George Gamow. Triplet code was, that is code was the triplet. That is that triplet code which synthesized, that is one triplet code synthesized one amino acids here. Then the sequence of codon which decided the sequence of amino acid which are present on the mRNA. That codon हे काय करतात? amino acid decide करतात. codon ची sequence ही amino acid ची sequence त्यानुसारच असते. That here M. Nirenberg and Bethel which able to synthesize the artificial mRNA, and that artificial mRNA which contain only one type of nitrogen bases, and that one type of nitrogen bases, that is the U, that is the uracil. आर्टिफिशियल mRNA तयार केला निरेनबर्ग अँड मेथेनी, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी काय केलेलं आहे, which give only one type of nitrogen base or gives only one type of nucleotide here, that is the uracil U. That this sequence basis on the mRNA, that is the U U U U U U U U. That is here in the on the basis of that mRNA, that is this sequence which is the 3 codon, that is the U, and then U, which code the amino acid, that is the phenylalanine, which code the amino acid, that is the phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. That is the phenylalanine, which is the this code, that is the UUA. This UUA, which is the he gives first, that is the two nucleotide sequences, that is the CU, then CU, then CU, 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 CU. Then this here, that is the CUC, which is the, we know that the codon is the 3, that is the 3, which is the 3 nitrogen base, that is the one codon here. That then CUC, then UCU, then CUC, then UCU. When Hargobind Khurana repeated sequences with 2 nucleotides, then this is the sequence of nucleotide and this is the sequence of codon, and this codon, that sequence of the amino acid, this CUC codes for leucine. This UCU code is serine. Then this CUC, leucine. Then this UCU, that is the serine. Leucine, serine, leucine, serine. When give, that is the 2 nucleotide sequences. Then this Hargobind Khurana gives the 3 nucleotide base sequences. In that 3 nucleotide base sequences, here CUA, 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 and this CUA which code for the leucine here. Leucine, this also leucine, this also leucine, this also leucine. म्हणजे ह्याच्यातून काय दिसून येत आहे तर ह्या नायट्रोजन बेसच्या सिक्वेन्स वरून किंवा कोडॉनच्या सिक्वेन्स वरूनच कशाचा सिक्वेन्स अवलंबलेला आहे, अमायनो ऍसिडचा सिक्वेन्स अवलंबलेला आहे. Then Severo Oka, that he made, that is the RNA, त्याने RNA तयार केला, but he made RNA without template strand. He made RNA without template strand, that he established the enzyme, that enzyme which is phenyl nucleotide, or that is the polynucleotide phosphorylase. He used or he established the enzyme, that is the polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme, and these enzyme which help, that is to synthesizing the new mRNA, that is without template strand. This enzyme that help to synthesizing the RNA without template strand, that enzyme which is the polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme. And this is the proved that is the sequence of codon which is able, or sequence of codon च्या वरून काय होतंय तर न्यूक्लियोटाइड और अमायनो ऍसिड ची सिक्वेन्स सुद्धा त्याच्यावरच काय असते, अवलंबून असते. Then finally Nirenberg, Mattei and Oka which deciphered or decoded all 64 codon in dictionary of genetic code. म्हणजे मेथाईने, निरनबर्गने आणि ओकाने फायनली काय केलं, त्याचे 64 कोडॉन्स आहेत त्यांची एक प्रकारची डिक्शनरी तयार केली, द डिक्शनरी ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड. And here the dictionary of genetic code, here the first letter, second letter and the third letter here. The dictionary of genetic code, in that dictionary of genetic code, the sequence of the nitrogen base of the the sequence of the nucleotides here, that is the U, carefully see that, then you that is understand here, that is first two letter here UU, first two letter UU, and the third letter here UCAG. It is very easy to remember here. That is here first two letter, that is the CU. Here CU, and the third letter which is this sequence, that is the UCAG here. UCAG. This sequence UCAG. Here also AU. AU is common in that four codon here. This is one codon, this is one codon, this is one codon, and these are the 64 codon. This column 4 codon, this column 4, this column 4 codon. This is the 64 codon here, and each one codons which code the amino acid here. In that amino acid, here 20 amino acid which code, and out of 60 codon, there are 61 codons code the amino acid, and rest 2 amino acid does not code any amino acid here. Out of 64 codon, only 61 amino acid, 61 codon code the amino acid here, and rest of 3 codon here, that is the stop codon here. That stop codon which is also called here, that stop codon which is the nonsense codon, which is also called the termination codon, that end the transcription process here, and that end the protein synthesis, that end the process here, that is the end the process of amino acid, that is the stop codon here. And in that stop codon, which is 3 stop codon here, this is UAA, which is the stop codon, and that is the end of the codon here, that is UAG, which is the stop codon, and here UGA is the stop codon. UAA, UAG, and UGA, which is the stop codon here. And here one also codon here, that is the AUG. This one codon which start codon here, that is AUG. That is AUG, which is methylene here. That code, this AUG code the amino acid, that is the methylene amino acid here. This is the phenylalanine. Then this is the leucine here. These two are the phenylalanine. These two are the leucine. These 4 are the leucine, that is the CUU, CUC, CUA, and CUG. These are which is the isoleucine here. That is the isoleucine, that is the ILE. That is the AUU, AUC, and AUA. And the last one AUG, which is methionine here. That is the start codon. Here the codons here, that is the serine. This is the serine. This is the proline. This is the threonine. This is the alanine. This is the tyrosine here. These 2 are the stop codon. This is the histidine. This is the glutamine. This is the asparagine. This is the lysine. This is the aspartic acid. This is the glutamic acid. This is the cystidine here. Then this is the stop codon, and this is the tryptophan here. Then that is arginine, serine, arginine, and glycine here. These are the amino acid, and this is the dictionary of the genetic code here. And remember thing here, that is the only start codon, that is the AUG is the start codon, that is the methionine, and which is the stop codon, that is the 3 are